eliminate the parameter t. Write the equation in Cartesian coordinates, then sketch the graphs of the vector valued functions. In part A, we have r equals t cube I plus 2t j. It's like x and y. So let's say let t cube be x, and from here we solve for t, plug that here as y, so that we get y as a function of x. Okay, so let's solve for t. That means take cube root both sides, so t equals cube root of x. Now y is our second component, 2t, that is 2 times, we just found cube root of x. So y equals 2 times cube root of x is the corresponding Cartesian coordinate equation. I mean, this is same as this. Okay, this is vector valued. Now we got this equation in Cartesian coordinates, x and y. And if we graph this, just the cube root of x, you can take a couple of points. Okay, and it's gonna be something like, okay, this, and you can check using calculator. This is x and corresponding y. Similarly, we let 2 cosine t is x and solve for t. So this is same as cosine t equals x over 2. Okay, I'll leave one line. If I have to solve for t, I'll come back here, but generally let's not solve for t, which gives us cosine inverse. And now second part, y is 2 sine t. Okay, now 2 times sine t. Sine t is not given, but cosine t is given. So let's write sine t in terms of cosine t. As we've seen in trigonometry, sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. Subtract sine squared from both sides. Sine squared is 1 minus cosine squared. So sine is just 1 minus cosine squared, radical. So sine t is same as root 1 minus cosine squared t. That is 2 times 1 minus cosine t squared, and we do have value for cosine t. Cosine t is x over 2, so this is x over 2 quantity squared. Now let's simplify. 2 square root of 1 over x squared minus 4. Combine these two, common denominator 4, so 4 minus x squared. Take the square root of 4, which is 2 cancel, so this is just root 4 minus x squared. Y equals, okay, I think we can do better than this. Square both sides, we get y squared equals 4 minus x squared. Add x squared both sides, get x squared plus y squared equals 4. And you should identify this as a circle of radius 2 centered at this 0, 0. So this is just a circle. Okay, I think you can draw better than this, with center 0, 0 and radius 2. So this is 2, or this is 2. Anything on the circumference from center is 2. Okay, circle centered at 0, 0. Okay, centered at 0, 0 with radius 2.